Hey there people, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Chicco Keyfit 30 infant car seat. Yeah, this is a very good car seat. I've had this car seat for probably going on, oh boy, about 7 years now. And it has really withstood the test of time. It really has. We got this with one of our children, with our first child, and oh boy, he was so comfortable in here. There's a lot of really nice features, and it's really durable. It really is. It really is sturdy and reliable. Yeah. Now, what happens is, okay, this part here, this here is the carrier, okay? But this part, this carrier detaches from this, which is what makes this a car seat, okay? So this here attaches to your seat inside your car. You know, this part clamps into place on both sides. You have these, one up here too, and one here to keep this in place. And here you have quick releases. You know, you push both sides here and on the other side to release this off, release this whole thing off. And once this is connected, this becomes a car seat, and it's completely awesome. You have a level here to tell you, you know, if the seat in the car seat and the carrier are level, are standing, you know, are on there straight. You have retractable arm here that when you push down both of these, this part leans all the way back. This is really a really good car seat. This part adjusts, it comes up and down. Yeah. Now, this cushioning inside here is really comfortable. It's really soft and really comfortable for the child. It's waterproof and has stain resistance on here. Now, you can tell that this is pretty old because you see the straps on here. It's really like kind of worn, you know. I'm not sure what caused that, but yeah, it's been around a while. So this part here would snap into this and strap to the child. Now this button here adjusts this here to make it looser or tighter, you know, for the comfort of your kid. And yeah, it's really nice. Now this is like a 2-in-1 piece here, and these devices can really run you a lot of money, you know. Baby car seats and carriers, that's a big business. Yeah, they're not cheap. So shop around. Yeah, but this is a good one. We found this one and it was a really good price and it was very economical. We're really lucky to have found it. Chicco, I had a friend that used Chicco brand. He didn't have this particular one, but a different Chicco one. But he referred me to this brand of carrier and car seat because the one he had really, you know, did him well. You know, he liked it a lot, and he had a lot of kids, so he liked it and swore by it. So we were looking particularly for Chicco, you know. So I was looking and I found them. I know some very cheap, some extremely expensive, and this was right there in the middle. Very useful, and I'm really glad I was able to find this one. It's really good, and it really withstands the test of time. It could do it all over again right now. It's really sturdy and soft, and it really did us well. We liked it a lot, and I don't think it gets much better than this. I mean, it really doesn't. This is a very, very good car seat. I swear by it, and my friends swear by it. It's just really done me well, and I'm really glad we chose this one. Yeah, okay, so we've been talking about the Chicco Keyfit 30 infant car seat and carrier. Yeah. Well, I hope you guys use this information. It's a really good car seat. I guess I'll see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.